What's up, guys? Today I wanted to do a little review on this Servo wire kit that I got off Amazon. Link will be in the description, and you're gonna want to stay tuned for this shit, man. I'm telling you. So over here we got the Hobby, or the Sense Hobby S-Link. Okay, so this connects to the sound box. Now this pertains nothing to why this burned up, and you could see that fucking thing melted. I'm still dealing with some Sam over in China trying to get one of these fucking things, and you know, it's, oh, you know, I need your phone number, this, that. Anyway, that's besides the point. I'm getting off track here because I'm a little pissed off with these fucking Chinese companies. So I got this kit in, and this servo wire, unlike this servo wire here, I got another kit because I didn't realize you could get these pliers to crimp these ends. Let me grab one of these ends, okay? Alright, so there's that end, and those pliers over here make this a lot easier to fucking crimp. And before I got this set today, luckily I did not use this, but I will insert a picture right now with this wire plugged into here. And right away you're going to notice this has S for signal, positive, and then ground. So when this goes in, it should orientate exactly like so. So let me insert the picture and take a look. Okay, so now what you saw there was the white wire, the black wire, and then the red wire. So that would have been reverse polarity, and that would have fucking burned up. It's not what caused this to burn up, because this was connected straight to the sound box itself into a USB port. Why this burned up, I have no fucking clue, which has me still pissed off. I don't know if it was the Anchor USB hub or just Chinese fucking junk. But what I did instead, I messaged the seller and I ripped all the wire apart, and now I'm rewiring it. So when you buy one of these kits, make sure that turn this over here. I only brought this out for reference so I don't fuck it up. And you can see this has, the connector only goes in one way, has a little notch there, and you can see the notch there. So this is gonna slide in here like so, okay? And I don't know if you're gonna see that notch or not, but it only goes in one way. And when I put it in, and as you've seen in the picture, these wires are all connected together, and I had to split them apart, and I messaged the seller and I told him, I said, yo, you selling fucking something that's gonna burn somebody's device up. And so I figured, fuck it, I might as well show you guys what I did. All I did was braid, so if you don't know how to braid, go on YouTube, and it's pretty simple. But after you rip it apart, just braid the wire, and then with this actually is the female, and this is the connector. In this connector, there is a tiny little notch. You can see it there. So that notch goes on top, and this plug goes in this way, and that notch clips on there. And then with this end, some of these don't have a little piece of plastic there, but if you're looking down on it with the connectors facing up, the left, or the white, is always on the left, the red is always in the middle, and the black is always on the right. And then the same with this one. Connectors up, white left, middle red, black right, and then your little female connector, that little catch in there, top, slide it in, And then just double check. Always double, triple check your work before you go connecting it up.